Today on Classic Mustangs 429, we check out a Texas junkyard with Junkyard Digs. Okay, I thought I'd give you guys and girls a little intro about myself since this is my first edited YouTube video. My name is Mike, and as you can see, my account name is Classic Mustangs 429. Now, many of you are probably thinking this guy is Mustangs and Mustangs only. However, that is not the case. I love all classic cars, and I'll be posting anything car related, new and old, onto this YouTube account. I am new to this, so feel free, if you like what you see, to subscribe and like any of my videos. Many more videos to come with Kevin, aka Junkyard Digs, of our tour of Texas, as well as some of my personal projects, which I'm sure a lot of you will enjoy seeing. Well, enough talking. Let's check out this junkyard.
Transmissions. Diesel there.
Hosed and box.
Yeah, that's a Volkswagen motor, I'm pretty sure.
Alright, let's go to the cars.
Dude, this guy collects buses apparently.
Yeah, I know. There's a lot of buses here. Bunch of big blocks laying around out here.
Yeah, 429s, eh?
Yeah.
Dude, where do you start? Look at this. Holy shit.
It's kind of mixed in old and new, so.
Yeah. 64 Fairlane 4-door.
You want to take that row out? Take this one?
Yeah, just give me a shout if you find anything cool. Damn. That's a shame. Pretty solid. Bet you the floors are mint. Frame looks decent. Alright, let's continue. Looks like a Montego on top. Is that a Stang? 67 coupe. Nice. That's definitely seen better days. Couple Fox bodies. Ah, look at that wagon. What's up? Yeah, what's left of one. A T-Bird. 64 by the looks of it. Yeah. Here's a solid Ford long box. It's 5-window. Looks like a. I don't even know. Is that a. Yes. Cool 5-window Fargo, I believe this is. 6-cylinder truck. Another Dodge D100. Disc brakes on the front. Pretty sweet. Well, besides the roof.
Yeah, they all seem to be rotting out on the drip line out here.
It's kind of weird, but.
Yeah, why don't ours do that?
Yeah, exactly.
That's like.
Oh, I thought that was a snake.
That's like cutting extra.
Actually, I kind of like it. It's nice up and close. Bronco. Well, I guess Texans love their trucks, dude. Tons of vans, holy. Another 64 Thunderbird Landau roof. Yeah, there's that Bronco Kev was talking about. Not much left. Yeah, that patina's awesome. Alright, back to here, so now let's cut right. Seen all this before. I'm gonna guess that was a 5 window, judging by the way the people cut the windows out. Cool. Pontiac. Here's some people over here. Dodge A100. Just stacked. Holy shit. Yo! Right here. Tons of Fargos.
Yeah. What's that?
That's a Fargo, I think.
Oh.
Pretty sure. There's a Jeep.
Is that a...
That's a Chev, I'm pretty sure. No, I don't think so. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a Dodge Diff, I'm pretty sure. What size do we got here? Oh, look at the backing plate, just gone. Where are you going?
I walked past a car earlier and started making a noise.
Your
This is
Diff.
something else. I was like, what the fuck's going on? This is like...
Tell me it's a beehive.
No, I think it was either a rattlesnake or the world's end.
Well, I don't want to see a rattlesnake.
You want to see the world's end?
No, I don't want to see that either. Oh, 65 gone, nice.
No, that's not it.
Well, I gotta see it. One sec. 65 Comet, 2-door post. I believe they're called 410s. Could be wrong, but 6-cylinder car, 4-lug suspension. What else do we got over there? Tons of school buses and regular buses. There's a cool Suburban panel side, whatever you want to call it, delivery truck. 9-inch Ford. These dips in the road are so unexpected. Corvette?
What year was it?
I can't tell, to be honest.
It's a Corvette, not a kit car, right?
Yeah, it's a Corvette. 65 T-Bird. 63 T-Bird. Another gen of T-Bird. I can't remember the year of that. Whoa.
Easy there.
2-door. Is that a 4-door? 4-door, 4-door. Another T-Bird. Another T-Bird.
Busy yard.
It's all over the place.
It was open on a Saturday, so...
Tons of buses. Holy shit. Oh, we're going through the tall grass. Watch out for those snakes. Caddy. Cool fucking bus, man. Why can't we have that shit nowadays? Look at that. Freaking right, man. I don't really want to go there. It's kind of sketchy. Ah, screw it. We're here now. trim. No seats. Still cool though. Stick bus. Imagine that back in the day. Having a shitty bus driver that doesn't know how to drive stick. I love that. Tough. Oh, Jesus. White? You donkey? Dude, there's tons of 9 inches here. Big dually axles. Where do you want to go? Jesus.
Alright, so for this part of the video, Mike is going to go that way in the yard, and I am going to go this way in the yard.
I hope I got the cooler shit. Alright, just yell, Mike. Bumpers? Anyone need bumpers? Man, these guys got some cool stuff. Dump trucks. Looks like a Chevelle. Oh, never mind, that's a terrible guess. It's a Nova. Volkswagen Bug hood, Impala fender. Cool early style Ford front end. Another Ford on top, underneath. Wow. Oh yeah, just throw it on top. And we got a 56 Chev here. That's pretty cool. 4-door, non-post. Don't see those too often. Quarters are pretty solid. What else we got here? Anything cool? Carmen Gia up top. That's cool. Impala, Firebirds. You want stackable cars? Here you go. I kind of want to go that way. There's so much to see. Okay, you know what I'll do? I'll walk this side and then I'll swing back here and walk there. Oh, Jesus. Was not expecting that. Pontiac Grand Prix at the bottom. Or Parisienne, whatever model it is. Sports Chief 4-door. Fred wants that. Fred did that damage. See that? Come on, Fred. Smarten up. If you guys want to pause the footage, you can do that too. Tons of trucks. There's an Apache. Nice. More better. Okay. That's some good English. So it looks like I'm in the Chev section. Hopefully there's a Ford section of just Mustangs, but probably not. Here's a C20. That's cool. Looks like the Ford's the next row. More trucks than anything. Oh, that's nice. 55 to 57 Chev truck. Those are the hot tickets nowadays. Honestly, you can get lost in here. Just like a maze of cars is what it is. Starting to really like those dual headlights. I think they're 58 and up to 60 or 59. Could be wrong. 56 Chev. 4-door, post. Cool Ford. Tons of stuff. It is Saturday, so I only have a couple more days left here. I leave Monday, so hoping to see everything I can before I head back up north to the frozen tundra of Toronto. Jeez Louise. Alright, I'm gonna cross this path. Look at this frickin' tow rig. Holy damn. Kev, notice how we're in like the Chevs section? Oh, look at this 70 Chevelle. Holy, roof rotted. Holy crap.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you don't buy a vinyl.
Exactly.
We're in the what section?
The Chevs section,
Oh, yeah.
by the looks of it.
Oh, there's also a little Ford.
Yeah, little Ford trucks.
So how was your side?
69 Chevelle, it's not bad.
You know what? I'll never know. I'll have to watch your video to find out.
There you go. I'm gonna cut down here after.
Alright, I'm heading back this way. There is a,
Watch the truck. Man, these panel wagons are awesome. That's the tallest tree I've ever seen in Texas. Hey Kev, look! A tall tree! We've been making jokes about how everything's supposed to be bigger in Texas, but their trees are tiny. The only thing I've noticed is faster speed limits, which is really nice. Camaro. Caddies. Looks like we're in the caddy section now.
Alright, I'm going to end the video here. Again, feel free to like and to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check me out on Instagram. Big thanks to Kevin for getting me on board this YouTube adventure and inviting me to hang with him during his week off from the Army training. Stay tuned for part 2 and many more junkyard adventures in the upcoming weeks. I'll see you next time on Classic Mustangs 429.